This is the story of Mumbai, the commercial, financial, cultural, and movie capital of India. Once upon a shoreline, there was no city, only 7 quiet islands. Then came liberalization. The 80s and 90s opened the gates of global trade, and Bombay, now Mumbai, emerged as the financial heart of India. And in the new millennium, thanks to fast-paced development, Mumbai grew quicker than any other city in the country. The city is witnessing 5 million square meters of metro rail development and an unbelievable 14 metro rail projects. Every year, Mumbai and Navi Mumbai experience an inflow of 4 lakh people due to newborns and migration, because of which the city had to evolve.
पूरे महाराष्ट्र की तस्वीर बदल रही है। क्यों न हमारे देश में स्मार्ट सिटी बने, हर लिहाज से मोबिलिटी हो, ट्रांसपोर्ट हो, कनेक्टिविटी हो।
Today, I am proud to launch the Raigad Pen Growth Center at Davos, developed with the MMRDA across 1,200 acres.
We are creating a third Mumbai near New Mumbai, which is 3 times bigger than Mumbai.
A technology, fintech, and data center district over 400 acres. This shovel-ready project features India's first dedicated Global Capability Center GCC city over 200 acres.
Whereby try to accommodate the needs of businesses in this city, which is going to change the entire economy of the country and the economy of Mumbai.
India's first dedicated entertainment and lifestyle city over 300 acres. Mumbai remains India's commercial, financial, entertainment and cultural capital. Its growth is central to the vision of a Vikasit Bharat by 2047. Raigad Pen offers the nation's lowest transaction time and cost through technology-enabled development, a single window clearance system and sustainable philosophy for business and living, all under one umbrella. Today marks an important milestone in that journey.
And if you think the city is far away from Mumbai, it is not. The Raigad Pen Growth Center is just 20 minutes away from Navi Mumbai International Airport. An elevated corridor from Raigad Pen Growth Center will connect to the Atal Setu at Chirle with a travel time of 10 minutes. From Chirle, you can reach Sivri in 14 minutes thanks to the Atal Setu. Then, the Atal Setu also connects to Worli via the Sivri-Worli connector with a travel time of 4 minutes. This will cut time from Raigad Pen Growth Center to Worli down to just 30 minutes. And from Worli, citizens can easily access the Sea Link and the coastal road, offering signal-free travel all the way from the smart city to the western parts of Mumbai. Travel to hubs like Bandra Kurla complex would be cut down to just 35 minutes. In the east, the Atal Setu also connects to the Eastern Freeway, which helps reach key neighborhoods, bringing the city's eastern zones closer to the smart city. Reaching the southernmost parts of Mumbai will also become easy, since a new corridor from Orange Gate to Nariman Point integrates into this network. This corridor connects to the Eastern Freeway on one end and the coastal road on the other end, forming the ring road and enhancing overall mobility. Hence, travel from Raigad Pen Growth Center to places in South Mumbai like Marine Drive will come down to 30 minutes. Thanks to cleverly planned infrastructure, this new city is going to be deeply connected to Mumbai's heart. The Raigad Pen Growth Center is just 20 minutes away from Navi Mumbai International Airport.
Lastly, but most importantly, I invite you all to make Raigad Pen your business destination and your home. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bharat.